Today we're going to make some Thanksgiving snacks, including 2 turkeys, Pilgrims hats, and a cornucopia. Doesn't it look delicious? Let's get started. The first snack we're going to make is a Pilgrim's hat. It's really quite simple. All you're going to need is some fudge stripe cookies, miniature Reese's peanut butter cups, M&Ms, and any color icing in a tube. First, you'll unwrap the Reese's peanut butter cup. Next, take the tube of icing and squeeze some onto the wide end of the Reese's peanut butter cup. Be sure and put enough on that when you press it down onto the cookie, it'll spread out a little bit. That way the icing forms the brim of the hat, and be sure that your cookie is on the chocolate side up. Do you see the brim there? Next, you're going to grab an M&M and put a little bit of the icing onto that so that you can secure it onto the hat. Now you have a stylish and delicious Pilgrim's hat. I'm going to show you how to make 2 kinds of turkeys with very similar ingredients. This is how you make the first one. You'll need double stuffed Oreos, Whoppers malted milk balls, candy corn, and a tube of frosting. Unscrew the top of 1 Oreo cookie. This becomes your base. Take a full Oreo cookie and press it into the back of the base. Next, take 4 pieces of candy corn and press them into the cream on top. Those will become the turkey's feathers. Next, grab your frosting and your malted milk ball and make 2 eyes. If you have different colors of frosting, like red, you could even make a gobbler on your turkey. Doesn't he look good? That's one turkey I know I'll be eating for Thanksgiving. Not all turkeys look alike. Here's how you make the second turkey, using many of the same ingredients. For this turkey, you'll use your double stuffed Oreos again, pretzels, candy corn, and a tube of icing. Set out 5 pieces of candy corn, an Oreo, a pretzel, and your icing. Put some icing on 1 piece of candy corn. This is going to become the turkey's nose. Just put a thin line of icing on or it will spread out farther than you want it to go. Use your frosting to make some eyes. Now it's time for some turkey feathers. Get 4 pieces of candy corn and tuck them into the icing. Sometimes the cookie will try to come apart, but just keep pressing it around and you can push it back together. Now grab your pretzel stick and break it in half. This will be the turkey's legs. Stick them into the icing on the bottom part, and if things get adjusted in a wrong way, you can always fix that, like the nose there. Stick those pretzels in, make them the same length, and voila, you have a wonderful turkey ready to eat. What Thanksgiving table is complete without a cornucopia? Here's one made out of an ice cream cone and the candies that I had left over. Make sure to get sugar cones for your cornucopia, and then you can stuff it with candies, or if you want to do it healthier, you could use raisins, grapes, or nuts. You decide. Next, fill a coffee cup half full with warm water. Stick your cone in and let it sit there for about 30 seconds. Put your cone in the microwave for 15 seconds and then do it again for 15 seconds. This will make your cone pliable, but it could be hot, so you may want to give it a few seconds or maybe a minute or so to cool off a little bit. Then start to bend it into shape. Now it's time to fill the cornucopia. Put in whatever you would like. Remember, a cornucopia means a horn of plenty, so be sure to have plenty in your cornucopia and even spilling out. You can let the cone of your cornucopia dry overnight, or you can leave it as it is. Here's our final product. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Happy Thanksgiving.